CHARYBDIS, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reacting to the time I got reincarnated as a slime, episode 17 and 18. Okay, so last episode, a new character was introduced, a new demon lord, and it was Milin, I think her name was, and she was pretty cute, pretty fun, and what I really liked about her was definitely her personality and how she was still acting as a little kid even though she's like what, a bajillion of years old. She decided to join Rimuru's village, and I'm scared because is that gonna be their downfall or is that gonna help them protect their village? That's scary to think about, but yeah, I'm pretty curious to see how she's gonna blend in this village. So let's start this video in 3, 2, 1, pyong. Is this the humans? Yes, it is very true. Ah, I remember them. They appeared like in the first few episodes. He has? I don't even remember anymore. Wait. Does he have something up his sleeve? Okay, another one having to judge him. Ah. The gathering. Well, I'm glad she's liking all the food there. Alright, that happened. Ooh. Yeah, right. You're not okay at all, but okay. Congratulations, Vesta. I bet that really made him happy. Oh. I'm so glad they gave Vesta another chance. It's a good business. Yep, both nations would benefit from it. That's good. Whoa! What's that? No? A new guest? Oh? Ah! Oh my god, what happened to him? Who? Good job, I guess. Did they come here to... Okay, no, okay, Milim did a good job attacking him then. Ooh. Boom! So that's what happened. Good job, Milim. Please do it. Totally not what she was expecting as a reaction. I mean, I understand Rimuru, but this time I feel like she deserved a little bit of praise. Ooh, I like that challenge. And it's not like they are the only one that will fight. I think even the Dwarven. Ooh, I want Rimuru to show him how strong he actually is. 30%. So imagine how still unexplored part of forest we have.
たちも俺たちの戦いを見ていたらしいな。カリオンのやつ、約束を破りよって。
Oh? Oh, was he part of the demon lords that was sitting with Milim?
話は分かっておよこすようにと。
Okay. Oh, okay. This is not gonna be the last time we see him. Maybe not even in this episode. Is he gonna appear again? Why not? But he obviously just did. He knows where to look and what to say to make her say what he wants to know. New weapon. He always bribes her. He really knows where to search, what to ask her, what to give her to make her talk.
巻き起こった暴風はより勢いを増しつつリムルたちの国を飲み込んでいくことになるのだった。
Oh, yikes.
商業の大国である。
So if they want to exchange things with other nations, other kingdoms, they would be the best.
ヨウムという音。お邪魔します。お世話になります。すいやせんね。来るぞ。
That looks like a giant crab. Oh, it's a spider. Hey, isn't that Gobata? Oh, Gobata! Oh, don't tell me Gobata is gonna handle it alone? Wow! Gobata is so strong now! What? Oh, see, it is a crab. Oh, I like how laid back he's sitting. Because he's the strongest. R.I.P. mate. Well, that's okay. He insulted her. You are? Yes. They're not convinced. The other group is not convinced. What are they planning? Wait, is he scared of her now? What? Why? But why? Wouldn't that put him in danger though? Okay, that's beneficial for Rimuru and his village, nation. Well, he would gain respect and acknowledgement, but wouldn't it be a bit dangerous for him in case others want to attack him because they know he's powerful or something? Everyone lives in harmony. Well, okay, that was quick. I thought he was gonna take a little bit more, but okay. I'm glad how Rimuru is always able to convince others in such a good manner without fighting, without having to resort to fighting. Oh? Oh! Things are turning interesting for all of them. Wait. I like the confidence. But is it true that you're stronger? Eeriness. So is he gonna send someone or another demon lord to them? What? A new enemy?
さすがですね、ティア。なしだし、カリブディスを手なずける
Who's
ことができるか
Kharibdis?
どうか、それを探ってください。
任せてよクレイマン。
場所、どれほどのものか非常に楽しみですね。
What? Okay, next, and I apologize for the change of everything, but I'm filming this the next day because of reasons. Anyways, by reason I mean Eastern celebration, and I had no internet. So, okay, anyways.
などと言わず、
Oh,
我
they,
々はユーラザニアと国交を結びたいほどですな。
yeah.
青ミリムがいなかったとしても、
Yes, a diplomatic alliance would be nicer than conquering them.
だが今更だぜ。
It's never too late.
怪我でカリ
Uh,
ブ様に迷惑をかたいんだよ。
そうは申されましても、復讐など現実的では。
分かってん
yeah,
だよ。
especially because they're dealing with Milim, but aside from Milim, Ryuru is also very strong, but they don't realize it yet.
何者だ。
Who is it? Who are you? Another clown? Angry Pierrot? It's a French one? Ah! Oh, okay. Yeah.
と力になってご覧に入れますから。
He's very suspicious.
フォビオさん、このようなものどもの話
He's already considering telling them though.
我々は魔王カリオンの重要戦士団に属す。
あんたも魔王になっちゃいなよ。
Demon Lord? Oh my gosh, is this gonna be the Orc Demon Lord all over again?
魔王だと。
カリブディス。
I don't even know who Kharibdis is, but by their reaction, everyone's reaction every time this name is dropped. Who is this
楽な力なら
giant
魔王に
beast?
匹敵するんだけどな。いらないなら他を当たるからもう行こう。
Would his body be able to handle it?
待て。
Ugh.
このような雑魚が魔王に抜擢されるんだ。ふざけるな。
He's really the type that looks down to on every other creatures or species that he deems lower.
詳しく聞かせろ。
当然いろいろと便宜を図ってもらいた
Few
いしね。
favors, such as
我々だけではカリブディスを従えることはできミングよくフォビオ様をお見かけしましてね。
なるほどね。
this really feels like a whole trap, and he fell right into it.
引き受けようじゃねえか。
That's a little bit like Rimuru's plan with the others.
フォビオ。
All of this just because his pride got hurt by Milim?
わかりました。会えることができるはずだ。
Can he? He wasn't even able to fight Milim though.
向かうとし
He
ましょ
will
う。
be
ああ、
strong enough?
俺とカリブディスの力を。
I think Shuna actually won.
いいでしょう。もう一度。本来なら
But it's cute that they are finally bonding and they're bonding nicely.
あ
Right?
向こうに
What are those things?
こっちは
They're so cute.
おっさん。
の疑いはとっくに晴れているんで
He's
す。
just enjoying
じゃ
staying
あな
there.
んでだよ。
いやー、ここは実に居心地がよろしくてですな。
かどうかしっかりと確かめさせてもらうことにします。とかかっこいいこと言ってたくせ。
He's even drinking now.
それにヨウムたちの件はどうなってんだよ。
Yo.
俺たちの代わりにのブルムンド王国へも道を作ろうかと思ってるんだけど。
Here to the kingdom of Burman?
いや、いやいや、それはありがたいことですが、
フューズ君。
Huh? Kun?
リ
They're
ード
friends
と
now?
呼ばれると、なんだか背中がむずがゆいのだが。
そんなことじゃないか。た ただし
Okay, however.
ただし
我が国の特産品を他の国にも売りつけたいので人物の紹介を頼みたい。
Someone trustworthy.
わかりました。お安いご用です。
やっぱり向こうに行こうかな。
復活していませんが破壊
Hey,
へ
I
の
can
活動
feel
が
the strange presence.
そうした感情が大好物な我々だからこそ発見できたのです。
Why am I getting nervous for this? Wait,
異様な容器を感じるな。カリブ
I'm not even dead, but I can feel the weird, bizarre
カリブディスの
presence.
復活には本来大量の死体
まさかお前
従えるとはつまりカリブディスをその身に
Oh, he's gonna be like a vessel?
なのですよ。
But wouldn't that mean that he will disappear? Like him as a person?
でも
Person or demon or whatever he is.
持たなかっ
They're really gaslighting him to just do it.
復活したらは用意できちゃうんじゃないかな。
They're really playing nice and dumb, and he's just falling for
で
it.
すね。
た魔王ミリムを
He's gonna lose himself just because he wants revenge. Oh my god.
来ましたね。
言ったね。
カリオンの部下ですね。
They really played him. Ah.
これで終了ですか？
魔物の発見くらい余裕なのだ。
Letting her stay in the village was seriously a blessing, but is also starting to be a curse.
精一杯やるか。
ミリム様。
Can they all feel it?
何者です。おいおいちょっと。この気配は
Ooh.
トレイニーさん。
No,
ちょっと違うか。
that's not Trini. But why is her flame like that?
私はト
ライア
トライア。
Is she related?
妹です。妹がいたのか。が近づいています。薬剤？
Danger is coming. Calamity class monster.
復活いたしました。カリブディス。この地である模様。
If this town gets destroyed once again,
の支配者たるカリブ
I
ディス
swear.
地上戦力では無力だ。
Danger is coming.
遥かなる昔に生まれ、死と再生を繰り返して守護者たる
The child?
暴風竜
Of
ベルド
Eldora?
ラの死後と言えるでしょう。
Really?
ベルドラの申し子。カリブディスはベルドラ様から漏れ出たマソダマリからハレとカリブディス兄弟みたいなもの。ああ、ここを目指してるのは俺を狙ってるってことか。
No,
俺の
no.
中にベルドラがいることのかも。
You are not the target this
魔
time.
王以上の強き魔物。
Monster with no
モン
intelligence.
スターでメガロドンというサメ型の魔物を異界から召喚して暴れると伝えられている。
なんじゃ。状況は最悪です。
It's very true.
召喚されたメガロドンはなぜか近くに。リムル様。
It sounds like a joke right now, but seeing it would be probably be terrifying.
はいないか。カリブディス
I'm here. It's not much to me. Oh,
軽く引いてやる。
for me, but
その手があったか。そのような。おい秘書、勝てる。
why does she always make the decisions?
そうですよ。友達だから何でも頼ろうとするのは間違いです。出ます。今めちゃくちゃ困ってるんだけど。そうだぞミリム。まあ。
He doesn't even have faith in himself.
私の見せ場がやってきたと思ったのに。王を失った
A leader does not run away.
違うんだよな。
しかしあれですな。我々人間のような考え方をされるのです。とても魔物とは
He
思い
used
ま
to be
せん。
one.
そうかもな。ないけど、実は俺もっと
I'm
人間なんだ。
surprised he's telling
シズさん
him.
のことは知ってるだろう。俺はシズさんの意志を受け継ぐ代償
Are
と
we
して。
gonna meet other worders?
パリリムルさんは信じられる人だよ。
Is Leon gonna be the final boss?
そう。魔王レオンは後だ。
Ooh. Wow! one that Milim was a ticking bomb. This is definitely not what I expected to happen. I thought Milim was gonna be the one to suddenly turn her back on them, on Rimuru's village and everything, and would be the one to fight them. But no, she is the one that is bringing other demons to fight against her, and because she's in Rimuru's village, they're basically getting dragged in something that they wouldn't even be dragged into if it wasn't for Milim. Also, Phobia, he was basically blinded by wanting revenge against Minim, and oh gosh, I really do think he was a fool for falling for that trap, and I don't think he's gonna come back as the person that he was like, because I do think that after merging with Kharibdis, there's no way he's gonna come back. He's gonna go back to his other real form unless Rimuru eats him, and then he is gonna meet him in that space, like what happened with the Orc Lord. I'm kind of scared for what is about to come, but also I'm not really, because I do know that Rimuru is gonna be able to defeat Kharibdis. I'm just very curious to see how he's gonna do it. But yeah, comment down below what you think about these two episodes. Like if you can, share if you can, and subscribe. Help me reach 1,600. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye!